Start Adobe Capture and tap the Image button. Then tap Camera Roll, and I'm going to use my light bulb photograph. Tap the check, and then tap the brush on the Refine screen because we're going to paint out some of the white dots in the background. Then zoom in and tap the eraser. We're going to erase the black lines on the white part of the light bulb. Tap Save, and then tap the X at the bottom right. Tap the three little dots under your picture and choose Save to Camera Roll. Open Adobe Mix, tap the plus, tap Image, and get your light bulb. Tap to create an image layer, and then tap the boat picture. You can pinch and zoom the boat to make it a better size for the light bulb. And then move it underneath the light bulb layer. Now make sure the light bulb layer is selected. Tap Blend, and then tap Multiply, and tap the check. I want to add some color to the bottom of the light bulb, so tap the plus and choose Color Layer. I'm going to use gold. And then I'm going to move this layer to the bottom of the layer stack. I'm going to pinch and zoom to make sure it only fills the very bottom part of the light bulb. Then I'm going to pick the boat layer, tap Cutout, zoom in, and tap Basic. I want to erase, so tap Erase, and then use your finger to clean up where the photograph covers the bottom of the light bulb. Then tap the check. Tap Share, tap Camera Roll, and you've put your picture inside a light bulb.